So I want to talk about these different parts. First off, what I would call this is an elbow.
That is correct. That's a long sweep 90 right there.
A long sweep 90. Okay, here is a T. You see there's a vertical plane on the bottom and a horizontal piece at the top. Why would you use a T and when?
A T, you use it on your stove outs, on your trap arms. That's where you need the T. So this T allows us to do our trap arm before we go to our P-trap. And
Perfect.
basically, being this open right here allows the airflow to go through. So that's why we use it on stove outs.
Okay, this is a Y. It's called a Y because it looks like a Y. Now, why would we use a Y?
We'll use a Y to branch off for a drain. Like if we want another drain, a 2-inch drain, we use it for that. So basically we
Perfect.
just add it to the system to get another drain.